Sounded retarded.
Are you recording me?
Yes, I am.
No, I hate how I sound. I'm gonna be like, oh look, I sound like a man in that video.
Ooh. Drink your milk.
I know, right? It's awesome.
Good to know.
Flip that hair.
Hair flip.
Talk about something funny.
What? Something funny.
Oh my gosh, it's hilarious. No, I have
Miley
the laughter.
Cyrus.
You want to hear a joke?
Miley Cyrus.
Miley Cyrus.
Yeah. Doesn't get much better than that. Oh yeah, it's sexy mouth right there.
I love her. Oh my god, there's Miss Tapia. Hi, Miss Tapia. How you doing?
Taking a picture of my butt or what?
I'd rather not. Anyway.
I still have a milk mustache, don't I?
Right there.
Yeah, we'll just call that milk for the sake of arguing.
Hey!
Hey, we don't know. You were back there for a few minutes. You never know what could happen.
Yeah.
Hey, you know how many guys are in here?
All of it is done.
Shit.
Most of them are back there, so.
Exactly, you know, that's where all the
Get
guys
enough time.
are. There's all the guys, yeah.
I saw Nara back there.
Zoom out! What'd you call me?
Nothing? Oh yeah, there's that sexy mouth again.
I like seeing it on the camera.
You're boring.
Just make a video of me talking, like, with my mouth. Like, just be like, wow, that sounded really retarded.
Go.
Yeah, we should make a video with me talking with my mouth.
That is so sweet.
Oh my god, I want to see it upside down.
Oh my god!
Okay, go.
Hi, Kiara.
How are you feeling?
I know.
What?
Upside down.
Upside down.
Good? Is everybody feeling good?
No,
Wait, I can't.
I'm upside down right now.
I know. I wanted to be right side up while you're upside down.
She came too late.
Loser.
Sorry. She didn't bring her cups either. Did anybody else have an extra? Spare?
Sausage McMuffin. McMuffin.
I haven't eaten it yet. I'm not
Really
feeling the
finish
sweets
all of it.
today. I don't know why. Like, I usually do. I'm usually like, ooh, sweets. I'm gonna eat them.
Until right now, and we didn't have any extras for Kiara or for you.
See, I told you.
Mr. Claus's class is coming. All right, ladies and gentlemen. Like I said before, please.
Orangey, orangey.